Guys, my name is Alicia Renee and welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button. Please make sure you comment. I need some engagement, you guys. So on this video right here, I'm going to be showing you how to do a sleek ponytail with a drawstring method. So what you want to do is go to your local hair store and purchase a ponytail piece. This one was only $13.99. Obviously it's not human hair, so you got to make sure you take very good care of it. So you want to make sure you get your hair into a nice sleek ponytail. I'm in the mixture of being natural and also growing out my perm, so that's why I have those waves, but it fits perfectly for this style. So the items that I use to get my hair in a nice ponytail is this Shine and Jam gel, the Got To Be glue, and also some other products that I'm going to show you throughout this video. So what I did was took my hair out of the package and went on and prepped it so I could have it ready to add on. The biggest thing with using synthetic hair is that it can knot up pretty easily. So you want to make sure you follow the hair care instructions that is listed within the hair. So I'm just taking the net off of the hair and then I'm just gonna like finger comb it out to make sure it's prepped and ready for me to go. Inside of this drawstring ponytail, you have two combs, one at the top and one at the bottom. And you'll see here that I'll go ahead and add the teeth to this drawstring into my hair. So you want to make sure it's snug, nice and tight, but you do not want to dig it into your scalp because it will hurt over time for sure. So find that sweet spot and get it in. And you guys, listen, I always close my eyes when I'm doing my hair. For some reason, it helps me visualize what I'm doing. And back here on this side, I'm going to use the teeth to the hair piece and dig that into the ponytail area. Here's the drawstring right there, and you want to pull that pretty tight. That's what's going to help secure that ponytail piece onto the hair. The leftover string from the hair piece, you want to just wrap it around and tuck it. So I'll show you the proper steps on how to do that. So right now I'm wrapping that piece around and I'm going to get a bobby pin and make sure I secure that piece of string with the bobby pin. So once you get that bobby pin in place and nice and snug, you want to just comb the hair out with your fingers and make sure there's no pieces that are caught up. And if you want to go a step further, just get a piece of hair from the back side of the hair piece and just wrap it around to kind of conceal the attachment area that you can visually see where the ponytail was added on. So that kind of just give that more secured look. So that's what I'm doing here. And then you'll just again get a bobby pin and just tuck that piece of hair out of the way. So I noticed I left a little small piece of packaging onto my hair, so I decided to go ahead and get some scissors and kind of clip that away. So I did catch it, but I didn't catch it before I installed it, obviously. So it's all good. Alright, so there are several different ways how you can actually style this ponytail. So one, you can leave it down, or you can move on to number two, which is to braid the ponytail all the way down to the end, and then just add some decorative pieces on it to give it just a little pop. So you can just kind of watch me do that here. So once you complete the end of the braid, you want to put something to prevent it from unraveling. So I used a rubber band to put at the end of this braid. And also, I decided to put a couple of decorations onto this hairpiece just to kind of to prevent it from looking so plain. So you'll see me do that here in a second. So these are the decorative pieces that you can add onto the hair. Typically, you may see them when someone have like dreads or some kind of soft locks or something like that, but you still can use it for a style like this if you want to just, you know, spice it up a little bit. Alright, so here for style number 3, this is where I'm going to braid the hair all the way down to the end as you see me doing it here in this video. And again, you want to put something on the end of the braid to prevent it from unraveling, so I chose to do a rubber band. And for this style, it's super simple. You can just wrap the hair around into like a little bun, whatever is best fit for you, and make it look as nice and neat as possible. And just get a couple of hairpins and just pin it down. So this style is pretty versatile with different methods that you can do to kind of style it up. Whether if you're going for more of a professional look, more of a street kind of look, you know, just whatever. So I really do enjoy having styles like this because I get to change it up every now and then. So once you choose the style that you prefer to have, you want to get some good edge control and an edge control brush to go ahead and lay down any flyaways or baby hairs that you want to kind of style. So there are a couple upkeep things that you want to be aware of with this kind of style. So obviously this hairpiece is not human hair, so you want to be very mindful laying around with this kind of hair. It can get knotted up, so I would not suggest sleeping in it. I would obviously for myself remove it and just place it on in the morning whenever I'm ready to go. Also, with your actual hair being exposed, sometimes you may have to just kind of comb it back up or put a little extra product to get any hairs that may have came out the ponytail. So you guys, we have reached the end of the video. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and comment and let me know which style is your favorite. I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye for now.